What if the hardest thing on Earth came from something as simple as carbon?
Could it be that strength lies not in substance, but in structure?
In diamond, each carbon bonds with 4 others, forming a flawless 3D lattice.
Every atom shares the stress valve, making diamond nearly impossible to break.
Even under extreme force, the diamond stays whole. Yet graphite, same element, crumbles. Why? Graphite bonds in flat sheets that slip easily apart. Diamond bonds in all directions, solid, unyielding, perfect. Pressure from every side, evenly spread, evenly resisted.
Diamond-tipped tools cut the toughest materials with ease. Even heat and friction can't dull its strength.
Scientists now grow diamonds atom by atom, identical to natural ones.
Made with the same pressure that shapes them deep underground.
Deep below, carbon transforms under immense heat and pressure.
Out of chaos, order. That's how diamonds are born. A billion-year journey from darkness to light. Beauty and strength jewelry, both shaped by pressure. The same carbon that builds us also builds diamond. Strength doesn't come from size. It comes from perfect connection.
It takes millions of atmospheres to even scratch it.
Even broken, diamond remains pure Halim. Perfect carbon connections.
A repeating pattern wove, strength through perfect design. Every diamond carries the memory of cosmic creation.
A symbol of endurance, shaped by time and pressure.
From stardust to stone, and back again. Follow for more science in short moments.